how you can return an item on Amazon. So first of all, head over to your Amazon app and log into your account. Once done, you will see a page like this. Now here, you're going to have to tap on the profile button. It will show you all the orders. So at the top page, you will see orders. Tap on orders. And likewise, under purchase history, you will see all the items that you have added on the last 3 months. If you couldn't find the order that you would like to return, you can go ahead and tap on filter. Now, likewise, in the order, just beside it, you will also see return/refund. You're going to have to tap onto it. And as you tap onto it, follow the on-screen prompt and simply place the item for a return and see if you're eligible for a refund or not. Now, if you would need more help, you can also tap on this three-bar icon. From here, select this customer service, and you will see various articles that might be helpful to you. All you have to do is scroll all the way below, and you will see it. So guys, this is how it's done. Thank you for watching.